Hello, today we will guide you through how to set stop loss and take profit in XM trading. To begin, open XM in your browser and make sure you are on the main member area. This is where you can access trading tools, market information, and order options. If you are not already signed in, complete that first so you can continue smoothly through the platform. Once you are in, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Market. This section is where XM lists the available instruments you can review and trade. Taking a moment here to confirm you are in the correct section can help avoid opening the wrong page later. After that, choose a sample symbol from the market list. This will open the details page for that instrument where you can view pricing and trading actions. The exact symbol may vary depending on what you want to trade, but for this walkthrough, simply select the sample option shown on screen. When the symbol page opens, move to the top right area and click either Buy or Sell. Choose Buy if you expect the price to rise, or Sell if you expect it to fall. This opens the Order Setup panel where you can define the trade before submitting it. Next, turn on the TP/SL option. TP stands for Take Profit, and SL stands for Stop Loss. These settings are important because they allow you to automatically close the trade at a profit target or at a loss limit. In simple terms, this helps you plan your trade in advance and manage risk more effectively without needing to watch the chart every second. With TP and SL enabled, enter the sample value shown. Make sure you type the values carefully because these levels directly affect where the order will close. A good habit is to double check the numbers before moving forward, especially if you are trading a fast-moving instrument. Even a small input mistake can place your target or stop at the wrong level. Finally, once everything looks correct, click Place Order. This submits the trade with your selected buy or sell direction, along with the stop loss and take profit settings you just added. And that's it. You've successfully set up a trade in XM with both stop loss and take profit included. Before placing any live order, always review the direction, symbol, and values one last time. That extra check can make your trading process more accurate and more confident.